Introducing myself. My name is Lady Diana. My last name is Arteaga Guzman. I am 32 years old. I am from Lorica, Córdoba. My cell phone number is 3103004145. My email address is leyus1@gmail.com. I am a teacher and a student. I like to read, listen to music, and sing. On Sundays, I like to go to the park and eat strawberry ice cream. That's me. Thank you.